Hi guys, so I made like every time so that like this is a character. Wait, let me give it a try again. Okay, so now my dog can move, and every time you click green flag, sprite goes in different position. And if you like go into the sprite like this, it collects the item. Boom. Okay, so would you like to see how I made it? Okay, so first when green flag light, go to random position, show, wait until touching the player, then start sound, collect, then hide. And this is what you need to do for the player. When left key pressed, move 10 steps. When right arrow key pressed, move 10 steps. Down arrow, change Y by next, then up arrow, key press, change Y by then. And you also select the backdrop and anything, any sprite, any object, doesn't depend. And thanks for watching. See you later.